Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to flip an image horizontally or vertically using Adobe Express. Super simple. So let's jump into it. First of all, make sure your device is connected to the Wi-Fi. After connecting your device to the Wi-Fi, simply open your application Adobe Express. After opening your application Adobe Express, simply log into the Gmail or Facebook account. After logging into it, simply upload the image which you want to flip from this plus icon and click on upload media and choose the photo which you want to flip. Suppose I want to flip this photo. For flipping your photo, simply click on the photo and you will see the option called transform. Simply click on it. After clicking it, for flipping it horizontally, you can see the option here, or if you want to flip it vertically, you can see another option. After you are done, simply download at the bottom upper right corner and hit download. And that's how you flip an image in Adobe Express. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more fast design tutorial, and see you in the next one.